Hello, in this video I want to show you how to place windows in Tiny Glade. To do this, first you will need to select the uh, decoration section right here. Sorry for that lag. And when you click on it, you can select the windows right here. There's more different decorations, but I'm in the demo mode, so they don't work for me. I think that's the window right here as well if you're playing on full version. Then we can select that window and just move it to any wall that you want and click the left mouse button to start placing that window. And if you add more windows, they will just change the texture like that, and we can move it around as well. We can unlink our windows like this as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.